Hello, very good, happy day. Task 9, describing my life, self-evaluation 1, Nelsiviana Becerra Lopez, good 33. Personal information. My full name is Nelsiviana Becerra Lopez. I am from Apartado Antioquia, Colombia. I am 23. I live in Apartado Antioquia. My occupation is seller woman and a student and housewife. The place you live is worse. The people friendly and sports banana. My email address is Viviana7853 at gmail.com. Next, personality. My favorite food is fried chicken and roast beef. My favorite movie is Bad Boy because it's so funny and interesting. My favorite book is Perfume because story and protagonist. My quality, my positive quality is lovely, friendly, and my negative quality is impatient. Next, routine and weekend plans. My daily routine is uh, study and working. Is work. Usually on the weekend, go out eat. Go out to eat. A significant person in your life. My mother is lovely, friendly, and kind. My mother is tall, brownie, ears, black ears, is generous, and housewife. Share some experience. My happy experience is my happy experience was when I had a real time. My negative experience was when when I had a grandmother died. And thank you. Bye.